Hello, it's your girl Fine Hair. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to do Senegalese twist with extension, and in today's video I'm going to be using pre-stretch 26 inches hair. That is how it look like. I will be using that already prepped. That is shine and jam, a tail comb. You can use whatever comb that work for you, a crunches to keep our hair in and steady. So I start with my back, and right now after sectioning it I use my crunchy to keep it in place. You can use whatever work best for you, and I'll run my hand to make sure my line or my sections are nice and neat. That is all I did. And we use shine and jam to lay it nice and slick, just like I did that. And I grabbed the extension. That is the size that I'll be using, the same size of my hair. So watch, you see what I did in the roots. I just put it in the middle. I use my right hand and I twist from 6 to 12. 6 to 12. You see that? That is how it look nice and smooth. That's how we get that Senegalese twist look. So after doing that, you see, I use my index and my thumb to hold the other one in the root while I also twist it. Now I have a video that I show you how to prep your hair, how to start twisting. If you have not watched that video, please watch it. It will show you all the basic concepts of how to. So you see what I did? I bring my hand from my back to my left to make it nice and easy while I pull it a little bit. You see, I twist and I crisscross. Twist, crisscross. See, that is how my finger is going. I'm going from 6 to 12 and I go opposite of it, crisscrossed. That is what I'm doing. If you have any question, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer. So that is all I'll be doing. Do you see how it's already coming out? See, I crisscross, crisscross, crisscross. It's really, I twist from 6 to 12 and I crisscross it. So now I'm going to tie it. See how I brought out a tiny bit. I move it to my left and I see, I pull it. I pull it again. You see that? See, I use my index to make that hole and I pull it. That is all I did. So you see, that is how the hair came out. Okay, so now I have already gone ahead and did all the rest parts. I'll show you. I run my hand and you see I just that tiny hair, so I'm removing it. See how the parts are nice and clean? That is what you do. So in this one I'm going to show you, I'm using coconut oil right there. So I use this coconut oil so I can give my hair nutrient that I need while my hair will stay in braid. See, I just run it through. And also, if you are allergic to jam or it itch your scalp, you can use any hair oil that works for you to keep it nice and smooth. And I use that black castor oil to make it way more better and nice, and also to help my hair to absorb what I put in it. Again, we know that gives our hair a good benefit to keep it shiny and also while it's growing. And also I'm going to do another video where I show you how to moisturize your hair, keep it moist while you have it in braid, so your hair will continue growing. So you see what I did? I use my thumb and my pinky. I go the part that I need, you see, and I pull it apart. That is how we get the hair that we use. Again, I'm showing you this because I know I already prepped my hair. I put them all in a rack. Again, that was to make it easy for me. So see what I did? The two sections, I have my hair section and also the extension I'm using are the same size of my hair. Again, this hair, I'm twisting it from the beginning to the end. I did the Senegalese twist from the root to the end. I did not buzz braid it before I do it. And if you're doing that, please make sure you have the same size of hair so that your hair will not break. If you have bigger hair than your own natural hair, it will overwhelm it and your hair will break. So to avoid that, just use the same size. So I continue doing the same thing. I twist, then I crisscross. It's really clockwise and anti-clockwise from 6 to 12. Then I now move it this opposite side. Hope you understand what I'm showing you. So that is the same thing. Is I just section it with my comb. Now I'm going to show you what I did right there. I sectioned my hair in two. Again, it's already moisturized. See, I use my 2 finger, keep it on the root just like I have it. Then my right hand is rolling it to cover my natural hair. Again, because I did not use shine and jam in this hair, I just used the coconut oil and black castor oil. So I have to keep my hair nice and protected so it will not be sticking out. Number one, you see how smooth my roots are. Then I crisscross. So you will need to really pause, especially for a beginner, and twist it how I'm doing it. Don't pull your hair too tight, please 6, so you will not break your hair. So see, that is what we do. We twist, then I will now tie it. Again, I tie it to keep it nice and steady. And also I pass my own natural hair. So when I'm cutting this hair, I'm not going to cut my hair. So please make sure you put that in consideration when you're doing your hair, to pass your natural hair, give it space. And also, so when it grows, you're not gonna cut your hair. So the same concept is what I did. I used my tail comb to section the hair. That is what I'm doing. My tail comb is doing giving my roots, my scarf away. So you see the same concept. I have one of my hair, so I used the clip. That hair was getting on my way. So I used the clip to hold it down, and now I'm going to do that to show you. Yep. Okay, so you see how I use that hair to cover my natural hair, and I'm now twisting while my finger are holding it in the roots. I crisscrossed. I'm going to do the same concept, crisscrossed. See, now if you're learning it for the beginning, if it's your first time, you might really want to pause and do that. But again, I'm doing it fast because I had a video where I show you how to do everything from the beginning. I'm going to put it on I'm going to put the link below on the description so you can watch it, and also it will show you all the basic concepts of what you have to know. So again, I'm doing my hair. If you notice, I'm not braiding, twisting it all the way to the end. I'm going to do that on my free time when I'm on a walk. If I'm on a line, I'll just, while I'm waiting, I'm going to use that time to twist the rest of my hair. Again, I did that and I was able to save myself 2 hours. Instead of me doing my hair for a whole 4 hours, I did this hair in 2 hours. And but the reason why is because I just did from my root to the end where my own natural hair stopped, and I give it a little more 3 inches space, then I tied it and I did the rest later. Okay, so we continue, twist. Please remember, if you have any question, comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Are you going to try this hairstyle? And also, I'm going to show you how I rock this hairstyle, how I style them, and also I'll be doing a video to show you how to style your hair. So right here, I'm going to use my mouth to hold the hair while I twist it, and that is so I do not pull my perimeter. If someone was doing your hair, they will ask you to hold it. So we are doing that and we are having fun doing this. So yeah, that is what we do. And yep, see, that is how it comes out. If you notice that one, the ends was really thin. So this is the end result. Again, I'm going to put it in hot water, and all I will do is boil the water and I use my crunchy to keep it steady, so I will not be trying to put them like glue for hair. So that help it to be easy. See, I just put it in hot water, use my towel, dry it, and that is also to even add to the tying that I tied from the beginning. It will make the hair nice and sleek looking. That is how it came out after I put it in hot water, and I wanted it to look straight. Now you can coil the hair if you want it to be coily, but I wanted it to be straight and I wanted to have it all nice and slick looking. So yeah, this is how the hair came out. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and see you in my next video. If you like this video, I'm going to put another video that is how to twist your natural hair without extension. And see you in my next video. Thank you so much. I do appreciate your time. I do appreciate you watching all the way to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and click that notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. If my returning subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. If it's your first time, welcome.